बेहतर से बेहतर की तलाश करो, बेहतर से बेहतर की तलाश करो, मिल जाए नदी तो समुद्र की तलाश करो, टूट जाए शीशा पत्थर की चोट से, टूट जाए पत्थर, ऐसा शीशा की तलाश करो, ऐसा शीशा की तलाश करो. So my dear friends, in this video you will get clear indefinite integral from NCERT Class 12 Mathematics Exercise 7.3 from questions number 13 to 24. आपका ड्यूटी बनता है ये सारे वीडियो को अच्छा से वॉच करो, समझने का कोशिश करो, फिर लंगन लगा के दिल से तब तक प्रैक्टिस करते रहो जब तक आप परफेक्ट नहीं बन जा रहे हो. सो माय डियर फ्रेंड्स, एवरीथिंग डिपेंड्स ऑन योर प्रैक्टिस. द मोर यू प्रैक्टिस, द मोर यू गेट. द मोर यू प्रैक्टिस एंड स्टडी, द बेटर you are. Excellency is an art. It is the regular habit of practice. Now integration is cos 2x minus cos 2 alpha by cos x minus cos alpha. So this is exercise 7.3 NCERT Mathematics. So cos 2x minus cos alpha. So what you write 2 cos square x minus 1, and so this is 2 cos square alpha minus 1, and so this by cos x minus cos alpha. So this is into dx. So what you write, so this is 1 and 1 is cancelled. So what you get, so this is cos square x minus cos square alpha. So this is by cos x minus cos alpha. So this is dx. And then what we'll do here, so this is a square minus b square, a plus b into a minus b. So that is cos x minus cos alpha, and so this is cos x plus cos alpha, and so this is by cos x minus cos alpha. So this is dx. And then what we'll do, you cancel this. And then so this is cos x, the integrations of cos x, so that is sin x, and cos alpha. Cos alpha is a constant है. So what to write, so this is x cos alpha, so this is plus c है. This is the fantastic questions for board exams. आपका ड्यूटी बनता है इस टाइप का क्वेश्चंस को आप अच्छा से प्रैक्टिस करो. Now another question is cos x minus sin x by 1 plus sin 2x. So you can write, so this is cos x minus sin x, and so this is what? Clear? So this is sin x plus cos x. Sin x plus cos x का होल स्क्वायर, सो दैट इज dx. देखो sin square x plus cos square x plus 2 sin x cos x. Sin square x plus cos square x is 1, 2 sin x cos x, so that is sin 2x. Suppose if you put, so this is sin x plus cos x, so that is t है. So it will get, so this is cos x minus sin x dx, so that is what? So this is dt है. So it will write, so this is dt by t square, and the integrations of this minus 1 by t plus c है. So it will write, so this is minus 1 by t plus c, so that is clear. So this is sin x plus cos x plus c है. This is a fantastic questions for any board exam. Now, so this is question number 15 from exercise 7.3. Inside you go tan cube 2x into sec 2x dx. So you can write, so like this, tan cube means here, so I will write sin cube 2x, so this is by cos cube 2x, okay, and so this is 1 by, so this is cos cube 2x dx. And then what will write, so this is what? So this is sin cube 2x, so you write here, clear, 1 minus cos square 2x into sin 2x. So and so this is what? Cos 4 2x dx. Now you put, so this is cos 2x equal to t है, so it will write minus 2 sin 2x dx, so that is dt. So it will write minus 1 by 2, so this is 1 minus t square dt, and so this is by t4 है. So it will write 1 by 2, so this is 1 by t4 minus 1 by t square dt. ठीक है, clear, 1 by t4 minus 1 by t square dt. And then what will do, clear, and then what will do, you will do here, so like this, ठीक है, minus 1 by 2, so this is clear, 1 by minus 1 by 3t cube, and so this is plus 1 by t plus c है. So it will get minus से multiply कर दो 1 by 2, so this is 1 by 3, 1 by t cube. 1 by t cube का मतलब क्या है, 1 by cos cube 2x plus, ठीक है, 1 by cos 2x, so that is what? So this is plus c है. ठीक है, clear. Another one line you can write, so this is 1 by 6 into, so this is sec cube 2x minus 1 by 2, so this is sec 2x plus c है. Clear. This is a fantastic questions for your board exam. Now integrations tan 4x dx, clear. So this is, you can write, so this is tan square x into tan square x dx. So and then what you write, so this is tan square x, and this tan square x is what? Sec square x minus 1 dx. So this is equal to is what? Tan square x into sec square x dx minus integrations tan square x dx. Clear? अभी one more line, so this is tan square x into sec square x dx, and so this is sec square x minus 1 dx. इस पे पुट करो. सपोज इफ यू पुट 10x इक्वल टू t, so it will get, so this is sec square x dx equal to dt. So it will get, so this is t square dt, and so this is integration sec square x minus 1 into dx. So this is t cube by 3, t cube by 3, so that is clear. T cube by 3 minus 10x plus x plus c है. T means क्या ना, so this is 10 cube x by 3 minus 10x plus x plus c है. This is a fantastic questions for board exams. बोर्ड एग्जाम में इसी टाइप का क्वेश्चन जनरली पूछा जाता है. Now this is a fantastic questions from NCERT Maths. Integrations cos 2x plus 2 sin square x by cos square x. What to write here? Cos 2x, so that is 1 minus 2 sin square x, and so this is 2 sin square x, so this is by cos square x dx. So this is cancelled. So it will get, so this is 1 by cos square x dx. So that is what? Sec square x dx. So this is 10x plus c here. Clear? This is a beautiful questions for your forthcoming board exam. Now, so this is questions number 19 and 20 from exercise 7.3 NCERT Mathematics. Dx by sin x cos cube x. So here you divide this one by, clear, so this is by cos 4x. So that is what you'll get. So this is sec 4x by, so this is sin x into clear. So it will get, so this is cos cube x by cos 4x dx. ऊपर नीचे cos 4x से डिवाइड करना. So it will get, देखो इसका साथ कैंसिल हो रहा है, sin x by cos x. Clear? So you write, so this is sec square x into sec square x. So this is by 10x dx. 10x का डेरिवेटिव sec square x, इसको clear. So this is you write 1 plus tan square x into sec square x. So this is by 10x dx. ठीक है? Put 10x equal to t. Suppose if you put 10x equal to t, so sec square x dx is dt. 1 plus t square into dt. So that is by t. So it will get, so this is 1 by t plus t dt. ठीक है? So it will write here, so this is 1 by t, so this is log t, and t, so that is t square by 2 plus c है. So that is log of, so this is 10x plus 10 square x by 2 plus c है. This is a fantastic questions, clear, for your forthcoming board exam. This method 1, clear. So this is cos 2x, and here is what? A plus b whole square, a square plus b square plus 2ab. So this is 1 plus sin 2x dx. Simply put, this is 1 plus sin 2x equal to t. So it will write, so this is 2 cos 2x dx. So that is dt. So this is dt by t. So that is what? Log t. So this is log of 1 plus sin 2x plus c. So you can write. ठीक है? And so this is method 2. Method 2 में what you write? Cos 2x, so cos square x minus sin square x, and so this is what? Cos x plus sin x whole square. So you can solve. So this is cos x minus sin x, and so this is cos x plus sin x, and so this is by cos x plus sin x whole square dx. So this is cancelled. So to write, so this is cos x minus sin x, and so this is cos x plus sin x dx. So it will put here, so this is put cos x plus sin x equal to t. What will get, so this is cos x, इसका डेरिवेटिव लिखो cos x minus sin x dx. So that is what? dt. So it will write, so this is dt by t. So that is log t. So this is cos x plus sin x, and so this is plus c. Clear? So my dear friends, this is a fantastic questions for your board exams. 2 different ways you can solve these types of problem. Now, so questions 21 as well as 22, what you'll do here, so this is sin inverse. ठीक है? cos x को sin का फॉर्म में लिख लो. So this is pi by 2 minus x dx. So it will write, so this is pi by 2 minus x dx. And then it will write, so this is pi by 2x minus x square by 2 plus c. ठीक है? Now this is a beautiful questions. Integrations dx by cos of x minus a into cos of x minus b है. So what you do here, you will multiply this is by sin b minus a. So this is sin b minus a by, so that is what? Cos of x minus a into cos of x minus b dx. And then what will do, so this is sin b minus a, clear. So you will write, so this is sin x minus a, clear, minus of x minus b. And so this is cos of x minus a and cos of x minus b dx. and then what will do, so this is a sine of b minus a, clear, देखो sin a minus b, so that is what, sin x minus a cos of x minus b minus cos of x minus a and sine of x minus b, so this is by cos of x minus a and cos of x minus b dx, ठीक है, and then what will do, you will separate the term, ठीक है, if you separate the term, so you will get, ठीक है, so that is 1 by sin b minus a and integration, so this by this, देखो cos of x minus b is cancelled, so this is tan x minus a, clear, and so this by this, ठीक है, cos x minus a cancelled, so this is tan x minus b, so this is dx, ठीक है, so this is 1 by sin b minus a, ठीक है, tan x का इंटीग्रेशन क्या है, ना log of sec x minus a, ठीक है, minus log of sec x minus b, so this is plus c, so this is 1 by sin b minus a, a2 is what, so this is log of, ठीक है, sec x minus a, and so this is sec x minus b plus c है. This is a fantastic questions for board, जब NCERT में है, clear, so that means these types of questions you can face at your board exam. Now, so this is integration sin square x minus cos square x by sin square x into cos square x dx. Clear, ये दोनों टर्म को सेपरेट कर दो, this by this. Clear, so this is sin square x and so this is sin square x cos square x dx minus, so this is cos square x, so this is sin square x into cos square x dx. ठीक है, so this is cancelled, this is cancelled, so it will get, so this is sec square x dx and so this is cosec square x dx. sec square x का इंटीग्रेशन क्या है, tan x, and so this is cot x plus c है, तो ये बस nothing else. Now if you put here, so this is x into the power x is t है, so it will write, so this is x into e to the power x plus e to the power x dx equal to dt है, ठीक है, so it will get, so if you take common e to the power x plus 1 dx, so that is dt है, so it will write, so this is dt by cos square t, ठीक है, so that is what, so this is sec square t dt, so it will get, so this is tan t plus c है, so this is tan of x e to the power x plus c है. So my dear friends, clear, इसी टाइप के क्वेश्चन जनरली बोर्ड एग्जाम में पूछा जाता है. आपका ये ड्यूटी बनता है, सारे क्वेश्चंस को पहले अच्छा से वॉच करो, लगन लगा के दिल से तब तक प्रैक्टिस करते रहो जब तक आप परफेक्ट नहीं बन जा रहे हो. इंग्लिश में एक प्रोवर्ब है, प्रैक्टिस टिल यू परफेक्ट एंड परफेक्ट प्रैक्टिस मेक्स यू परफेक्ट. द मोर यू प्रैक्टिस द मोर यू गेट, द मोर यू प्रैक्टिस एंड स्टडी द बेटर you are. Excellency is an art. It is the regular habit of practice. If you want to be very good in board exams, then you have to maintain consistency. You have to be disciplined, dedicated, as well as determined. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my maths channel. All the very best for your better future.